A bond like no other, Constable Lotoya Garriques and 3-year-old Aiden Flynn. But before August last year, they were total strangers. Constable Garriques met little Aiden when a team from the Clarkstown police station in Trelawney responded to a call of a child being abused.
I responded along with my sergeant. I went to the house. I saw this baby lying on a bed with a bloody kerchief wrapped around his head. I immediately grabbed the baby and I rushed to the hospital with the baby. The baby was in my hand, appeared lifeless. He wasn't responding to the police. His eyes were swollen shut. He had this bloody kerchief on his head, wounds all over his body.
Investigators later revealed that the scars on the toddler's body suggested he was being abused for some time.
This was done not by a stranger, but this was inflicted on him by his own father. And that alone, and seeing him lying on the hospital bed, emotionless, it did something to me. It pulled my heartstrings right out of my body.
The father has since been convicted and sentenced for the crime, but months after, the thought of little Aiden's pain lingered.
But it was a heartbreaking situation. I mean, I had this fragile child in my hand with all marks of abuse on his body. He wasn't responding. At one point, I thought that I had a dead child in my hand. When I went to the hospital and the doctors were working on him, that baby did not make a sound. He didn't even cry. He showed no sign of emotion. I was standing there watching and I cried.
Today, Constable Garriques and Aiden are inseparable. She has been a part of his journey through state care and court visits. And though the two may not be related by blood, she says that the love she has for the toddler runs deeper than any ocean.
I think that Aiden and I have a bond that will be forever there. I know that it will be etched in his memory from then until years to come. Because as I said, that's my baby and I try to maintain the bond with him. I don't plan on going anywhere. For his first day of school, I will be there. His first day of high school, I will be there. His first day of college, I will be there.
With your ray of hope, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.